Okay, real talk. Have you ever been scrolling through Instagram and you see a celebrity smiling and you just stop and stare? Like, how? How does every single Hollywood star have this blinding, perfectly straight, impossibly white smile? And then you look in the mirror and you're like, yeah, that's not happening. But here's what nobody tells you. Those smiles, they're not accidents. They're not genetics. They're not even brushing twice a day like your dentist begged you to. There is a billion-dollar industry hiding behind every celebrity smile, and today, I'm pulling back the curtain on all of it. We're talking real procedures, real prices, real secrets, the stuff celebrities don't post about. So if you've ever wondered why their teeth look like they were carved out of white marble, stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how it's done. And trust me, some of this is going to genuinely surprise you. Let's get into it. Segment 1. It's not natural, let's be honest. First things first, let's kill the biggest myth right now. Most celebrities did not grow up with perfect teeth. I mean, think about it. Tom Cruise, crooked teeth well into his adult career. Miley Cyrus, her natural smile looked nothing like what you see today. Even Zac Efron has talked about how his famous gap tooth was corrected over the years. The truth is, the entertainment industry has very specific standards. You want to be on camera? You want magazine covers? You want brand deals? Your smile needs to be what they call camera ready. And that's a standard no toothbrush alone can achieve. So what actually creates that perfect Hollywood smile? It comes down to a combination of procedures, and most celebrities use more than one. We're going to break down each one, explain what it is, who it's for, and roughly what it costs, because I know that's what you actually want to know. Segment 2. Veneers, the Hollywood staple. All right, number 1, and this is the big one, veneers. If celebrities had a dental best friend, it would be veneers. These are ultra-thin shells, usually made from porcelain, that are bonded directly to the front surface of your teeth. Think of them like a phone case, but for your teeth, except way more expensive. Way more expensive. Here's how it works. A dentist shaves down a thin layer of your natural enamel, and yes, that part is permanent. Then custom crafts these shells to match your ideal shape, size, and color. The result? An instantly transformed smile that looks completely natural on camera. Now here's where it gets real. Porcelain veneers in the USA typically cost between $1,000 to $2,500 per tooth. Most people need at least 8 to 10 teeth done for a full smile transformation. So you're looking at anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000 for a full set. And celebrities often go for the premium cosmetic dentists in Beverly Hills or New York, where prices can easily double that. Zendaya, Hilary Duff, Cardi B, many A-listers are widely believed to have had veneers done. And honestly, when you see the before and after comparisons, it all makes sense. But veneers aren't the only tool in the kit, not even close. Segment 3. Teeth whitening, but make it professional. Okay, so let's talk about whitening because I know what you're thinking. I've tried whitening strips, they didn't do that. And you're right, because what celebrities use is completely different from what's sitting on the drugstore shelf. Professional in-office teeth whitening, like the Zoom whitening system, uses a high-concentration hydrogen peroxide gel activated by a special LED light. One session can whiten your teeth by 6 to 8 shades. That's not a small difference, that's a transformation. And the top-tier cosmetic dentists take it even further. They create custom whitening trays tailored to the exact shape of each tooth, so the whitening agent hits every corner perfectly. No patchy results, no sensitivity surprises. Cost? In-office whitening in the US runs about $300 to $1,000 per session, and celebrities typically do maintenance sessions every few months, especially before major events like the Oscars or a movie premiere. But here's a fun fact most people don't know. Many celebrity makeup artists also apply a very light blue-toned lip color on the red carpet. Blue tones cancel out yellow, which makes teeth look even whiter in photos without any extra dental work. It's a simple visual trick, but it works really well. Little details like that? That's the real celebrity playbook. Segment 4. Orthodontics, not just for teenagers. Now, some celebrities actually went the long route, and honestly, it paid off big time. Orthodontic treatment, we're talking braces and clear aligners, fixes the actual structure of your teeth. Not just the color or the surface, but the alignment, the bite, the spacing, everything. Invisalign became massively popular among adult celebrities who didn't want to show up on a red carpet with metal braces. These are clear, removable aligners that gradually shift your teeth into the perfect position. Treatment typically takes 12 to 18 months and costs between $3,000 to $8,000 in the US, depending on the complexity. And more recently, a newer category called accelerated orthodontics has entered the celebrity space. Techniques like Propel or Accellident can speed up the alignment process significantly, sometimes cutting treatment time nearly in half. For someone in Hollywood, where appearance changes can directly affect castings, that timeline matters a lot. Justin Bieber is known to have worn Invisalign. Gwen Stefani talked openly about adult orthodontic treatment. The list goes on. The takeaway? Even if you weren't born with straight teeth, and most people weren't, modern orthodontics can correct almost any issue. It just takes time and investment. Segment 5. The role of cosmetic dentists, the unsung artists. Here's something we don't talk about enough: the dentist behind the smile. There are a handful of cosmetic dentists in the United States who are basically celebrities themselves in the dental world. Dr. Bill Dorfman in Los Angeles, for example, is known as America's dentist. He's treated some of the biggest names in Hollywood and was even featured on the show Extreme Makeover. These elite cosmetic dentists don't just drill and fill. They approach your smile like an artist approaches a canvas. They study facial symmetry, the golden ratio, how your lips move when you talk, how your gum line frames your teeth. It's incredibly detailed work. They also use cutting-edge technology. Digital smile design software lets them show you a preview of your finished smile before any procedure even begins. 3D imaging and AI-powered diagnostics help them plan procedures down to the millimeter. And this is important. They don't just make your teeth white. They make your teeth look right. The right size for your face, the right shape for your jaw, the right shade for your skin tone. That's why celebrity smiles look natural and not like a row of white Tic Tacs glued to their gums. The best cosmetic work is the work you can't tell is cosmetic, and that's exactly what these artists deliver. Segment 6. Daily habits, what celebrities actually do. Okay, so now you know the big procedures, but what about the daily routine? Because maintaining a smile like that doesn't stop at the dentist's office. Most celebrities follow a very specific oral care routine that most of us honestly just don't. Number 1, electric toothbrushes. Brands like Oral-B and Philips Sonicare are consistently recommended by cosmetic dentists because they remove significantly more plaque than manual brushing. It's not even close. Number 2, water flossers. Devices like the Waterpick use pressurized water to clean between teeth and along the gum line. A lot of celebrities swear by these because they're gentler on veneers and more effective than traditional floss. Number 3, diet and lifestyle choices. Coffee, red wine, dark sodas, cigarettes, all of these stain teeth aggressively. Many celebrities actively limit these, especially in the weeks before major appearances. Some even use a straw for everything to minimize contact with their teeth. Number 4, regular professional cleanings. While most people see a dentist twice a year, many celebrities go every 3 to 4 months for professional cleaning and polishing. Their cosmetic dentist also checks for any shifting or damage to veneers and whitening at each visit. And number 5, and this one surprised me, mouth guards at night. Stress grinding is incredibly common, and it can destroy even the best dental work over time. A custom night guard protects all that investment while you sleep. It's a whole system, and honestly, some of these habits are things any of us can start doing right now without spending a fortune. Segment 7. The future of celebrity smiles. What's coming next? Now let's talk about what's coming, because the future of cosmetic dentistry is genuinely wild. Biomimetic dentistry is emerging as the next big thing. Instead of shaving down enamel for veneers, new techniques and materials actually bond to your tooth structure and mimic natural enamel at a molecular level. Less tooth removal, more natural results, longer-lasting outcomes. 3D printed veneers and crowns are already being used in some top practices. What used to take 2 or 3 appointments can now be designed and printed in a single visit, perfectly fitted, color-matched, and ready to bond. There's also serious research happening around enamel regeneration, essentially regrowing damaged tooth enamel using peptide technology. If this becomes widely available, it could completely change how we approach tooth restoration. And AI? It's already being used to predict how a smile will age, how teeth will shift, and what procedures will have the most long-term success for each individual patient. Personalized dentistry is the future, and celebrities and their big budgets are the ones driving this innovation forward. So what's available for the rest of us in 5 to 10 years? Probably a lot more than we can imagine right now. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The real, unfiltered truth behind every Hollywood smile you've ever admired. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's a combination of elite cosmetic dentistry, strategic procedures, disciplined daily habits, and honestly, a really big budget. But here's the thing I want you to take away from this. You don't need to spend $20,000 to start improving your smile. You can start today with an electric toothbrush, a water flosser, cutting back on the dark drinks, and actually seeing your dentist regularly. The celebrities had a head start, but the road is open to everyone. Now I want to hear from you. Drop in the comments, what's one thing about your smile that you'd change if you could? Let's talk about it. This community is a judgment-free zone. Always. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of those teeth.